Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Heininger HitchMate 4040 TireStep, a sturdy and durable tire-mounted auto step perfect for SUVs, RVs, and light trucks. This versatile step is ideal for working on engines, changing wiper blades, cleaning those hard-to-reach spots, and packing roof racks on tall vehicles. It conveniently adjusts to 3 positions in both tire width and height, fitting all tires up to 12.5 inches. The entire unit is finished in a sleek black powder coating, and its 22-inch wide by 10-inch deep stepping pad can hold up to an impressive 400 pounds. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage in the included soft storage bag. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily driver, the HitchMate 4040 TireStep makes accessing your vehicle's roof a breeze. Don't miss out on the convenience and functionality this product brings to your automotive toolkit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.